dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Wonder if you ever see me, or if you know I'm dead. If you can ask, would you see what's inside you? I just wanna hold you close, but so far all I have is dreams of you. I wait for the day, the courage to say how much I love you. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be here in my room, dreaming about you and me.
Mabuhay ka kay Selena ba? Walang ka lang. Sabi ni Selena, kung walang iya kayo, kipot, hindi kayo sokto. Mabuhay ka rin kalalawa niya. Dreaming of you talaga tayo nito.
Waking night and all the night, sleeping and stare at the people I still can't believe that you came to me and said, I love you too. I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow, and for all of my life, and there's nowhere I'd rather be. Here in my room, dreaming of you endlessly.
Selena! Pag-show ba ha? Ayaw ko mag-dream of you tonight. Sabi niya pa, titirahin niyo yung song ko, ibang pa. Sabi niya, ibang song na lang. Bakit na tayo, Bex? Dreaming of you talaga ngayon. Tonight, Selena.
Ay, crazy party po.
Dito ba tayo?
Ayan, starting over again. Maganda yun.
Ito lang muna ako, bala ka dyan.
New game Tangle Symphony. The two irresistible sets coming together, you can't help but
Ano,
dance.
panindigan ko na.
Oh wow, that's fresh. New game Tangle Symphony. More scent, more joy.
Ito namin itong song na sila.
Chick-fil-A.
Pero okay, ay hindi naman ito maganda.
Okay, TV. Ayan.
In more. Oh yes! Papatulog!
I'm strong and sure I'm in control. I'm ready to plan, believing that life is a little package I hold in my hand. I've got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. I still like fumble and fall, right into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. I feel is driving me round. And that's what you made me. Can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you got so hard to be mine. Tonight I wanna be. I'm just another woman in love. A kid out of school, I fire out of control. I'm just another fool. You touch me and me, I feel the way, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you, I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. I'm just another woman in love. Fire out of control, just another fool. You catch me, I'm weak, I'm better in the way, and I can wait to feel you touching me again. With you, I'm just another woman, just another woman in love.
Okay, go. Ito na po.
I sing you a love song.
May meron. Kuko man yan.
I want to go back.
Diyos ko naman, nakakadiri ko.
Ha?
Wonderful tonight. Ay,
Teka lang, how do I go back?
Uy, bakit yun? Yun yung bako. Oh, yes.
Matulog na kayo guys. Kara.
Okay.
Tara.
Kasi na yung mga babae, yung beer.
Ano ka? You need to have
Alam
to
na
eat
lasing
some.
yung dalawa.
You need to eat some ano. 4? Okay, good job.
And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you,
Ayan, sabi.
you're gonna feel that's beautiful in you.
Makayan din siya na.
This time I love you even better than I ever did before. shades on the fade away. Whoa, my lover and friend, we are starting over. We are starting over.
I need you like
Ano ka tayo, madam?
Anyway. Asan na ito na? Magandang pisa. O, saan na? Ako na. Next. Next. Next na tayo. Challenge pala to. Marathon. Si karaoke marathon. Kagabi pa kami sige karaoke. Ay, nako. Ano ba itong mga song na to? Ay, yung mga Tagalog naman day. Saan ba yung ano? Sa baba mo.
Leia, you wanna sing Soda Pop? Come on. Come on, K-pop girl.
Soda pop.
K-pop girl.
Okay na to. Ay, bakit nandito na ako? Carpenter
Search ka na
tayo.
yan.
Ayan, ayaw mo ng carpet.
Yun sa baba.
Ang last with
Ayan.
Ay, ito na na.
Tingnan ko lang, 22 minutes.
Hindi ba yan?
Saan sila ako?
Ito na sabi ko from marathon. Marathon. Yeah. Kung sila may movie marathon, tayo may karaoke marathon. Ano ba to?
Day after day, I must see your world.
Asan na? Samura tayo.
Day after day, I must face the words of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that sure. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who always cares. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world had to give, but I won't last a day without you.
It's okay. Charlie, can you?
Sometimes in the secrets
Papasukin mo nga si Jess na
Friend
stage.
of
Charlie, ako lang.
a lonely place.
Go, Jess. Go, go, Jess. Go. Go, Jess.
You're always there. It's over now, first love getting over. When the smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
So na.
Trouble seems to come and disappear. You touch me with the love you bring. I without you. There's no getting over the rainbow. When the smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
Go na, next mo. Yes, diretso na ba? Medley na po eh. Ayun, next na po. You are the one. Ikaw yan.
You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the messes that I made. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone be more to me than you? Sorry if sometimes I look past you. There's no one behind your eyes. Inside my head, the wheels are turning. Hey, sometimes I'm not so wise. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration, just like the old song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone be more to me than you? You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone be more to me than you?
Panalo na tayo dyan. Feeling ni Sofle naman tayo. Panalo na tayo dyan. Ayan, is air supply. Ay, may limon, sayang na sayang. Air supply mo na tayo. May Tagalog ba? Wait lang. Count on you.
Yan, sige ba?
Ano yan?
Iyak-suliyak sa buhay. Pagtingin sa aking liman.
Ayan na, Lembar.
Akin ako ba gusto mo Tagalog? Hindi na Tagalog.
O, yan na lang tayo. Total eclipse. Si Bani ano ba yun?
You gotta look it up sometime.
Was it, or no, not, did you search cool outfits to wear with
Mga
shark
song
tooth
na dapat
necklace?
papaliban sa atin para hindi tayo masyadong famous. babe. Ikaw, partner mo.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely. You never come around. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of all the years have gone by. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified and then I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I pull apart. Every now and then I pull apart. Every now and then I get a little bit restless. Every now and then I
Hindi ba ang pumunta? Yung chorus agad.
this will never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. Love is like a shadow on me all the time. I don't know what to do. I'm always in the dark. We're living in the dark. I can't give it a thought. I really need it tonight. We're rising the stars tonight. We're rising the stars. Once upon a time I was falling in love, and now I'm only falling apart. There's nothing I can do until it's Once upon a time I was going on my life. Nothing I can say, and twiddling lips of the heart.
Kasi gusto niya rin yung
Bakit naman ang awit na to? Nag-live na rin siya. Na-inspire kami sa inyo eh. Boses ko lang na-inspire sa mga live session eh. Malikon man yung live mo. Harap ko na maigi. May clips na talaga itong mangyayari. May clips na mangyayari. Sabi siguro i-record niyo yung maraming bagay ni Shanti para at least hindi siya fully perfect.
Every now and then I pull apart. Every now and then I pull apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And we'll be holding it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it in your hand. Your love is like a shadow on the other side. I don't know what to do. I'm always in the dark. Living in a power can't get us far. I never used to die. We're gonna start tonight. Forever we're gonna start. Once upon a time I was falling in love, but now I'm only falling apart. Nothing I can do, I totally crazy to the heart. Isang araw ko ay nabuhay, pero hindi ko na alam ang totoo. Wala na akong masay, may palating na bagyo.
Bagyo. I love it.
Ayun na ikaw maganda. Iba naman ang gulo natin buhay.
Ako yan.
Saan yung ano?
Saan yan? Ano?
Baba na, baba.
Back mo na.
Ayan.
Ayun, bait ka niya lang natin yung phone. Patay tayo dito.
Because of you, maganda yun eh.
When your granddaughter's in town, you find it always. The reason? You love the freshness of fresh fabrics spray. It finds out and smells amazing, so everyone feels right at home.
Ano nangyari? Oh, taho may tinglaw.
Ay, hindi yan. Baba mo pa.
Ano yun? Because of you.
Ayan.
Ang Clarkson.
Kiwi.
Ay, ang reality. Sa bar.
Good. So,
Oh my God. Sa kanting bar. Wow.
Not made the same mistake that you did. I will not let myself cause my heart so much mystery. I will not pray the way you did. You feel so hard. I learned the hard way to never let it get out far. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I learned hard to trust not only me but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid. I lost my way, and it's not too long before you, boy, yeah. I kinda cry, because I know that weakness in your eyes. I'm forced to face a smile of love every day of my life. I can't possibly break with possibly hold to start with. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid that you die. I hear you cry every night in your sleep. I was so young, you should have known better than to lean on me. You never loved anyone else, you just saw your face. And now I cry in the middle of the night for the same damn thing. Yeah. I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I try my hardest just to forget everything. Because of you, I don't know how to let anyone else in. Because of you, I've changed my life. Because I'm empty. Because of you, I am
ko na to. Everything. Ano to? No!
48 straight years, Ford F-Series have been the best selling trucks in America.
Best shot!
Gulag na nga itong ano eh. Palipinyo. Ano to?
Singapore,
Ay, ito sige, Elvis. I can't help falling in love. Oh, ito, ako to. Ako to.
Yan, ano tayo makapagpunta na yung focus.
Baka nga na. Pakiclick tayo.
Wise men say, holy fools rush in, but I can't fall in love with you.
Ito ba ang version?
Would it be if darling, so it goes. Some days I wish to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. For I
I-record nyo kayo. Ayaw niya talagang bigyan ng floor sa
some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. Fall in love with you,
ay, ako na isang record na ako.
for I can't fall in love with you.
Isang nota lang mahil ko, happy na ako. Okay? Kasi hindi naman yan ang talent. Kung yan ang talent ko, nakusipain yun ako na hindi ako magaling. Alam mo naman ito sa magaling din. Magaling dito isa. Yung eclipse niya naging ano na, moonlight. Di po talaga.
Saan?
Ano ba? Baliktad naman pala itong aking remote. Duling na yung operator.
Ayan.
Alam mo,
Kasi ganyan sa akin.
pagod na lang tayo katatawa dito.
Ano ba? Gusto niyo umiyak? Gusto niyo umiyak?
Yeah, kasi ako eh.
Ano bang kukuha na?
Is that for Dad? Yeah, he's with his new Tacoma. It's a whole thing.
Kailan tayo magka-garage sale?
Bukas na. Garansyon niyo na itong chinelas ko. Garansyon niyo na itong ano ko. Dress ko. Ha? Hindi rin ako, hindi ko
Kasi magpo-fall na, mag-garage
Oo.
sale tayo.
Paano na? Ayan yung Aegis Medley. Magaling.
love you more. Patay na